on this video, it's going to kind of have a general overview of kind of everything that's involved in this website. Basically, every customer that has an account with us, basically, your logo is going to be right here under this. So this will be gone. You'll have your logo here. So every time you sign in, that'll be the first thing that somebody sees is your logo over here. Plus, of course, ours at B&B Concepts LLC. So your logo will be here. Also, everything on this site can be edited and changed and moved around. You can minimize this so you don't have a calendar. You can restore it. Same for everything else. Also, you can go under this, instead of clicking on the title and clicking view properties, you can delete the item this way. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Now go back out here. You can click that and delete that one part, or you can delete the whole thing by clicking delete. But otherwise, all that stuff will stay on the front unless you actually, change the date, kind of like under the announcements. Also, you can pretty much add an attachment to everything on here, like under your project contacts. If you wanted to add a new one, you can always add an attachment to it, whatever the case may be. You can always add something to it. These also can be, it doesn't have to be shared documents. You can change the title, change everything that you want on this site. It's kind of like your own little workspace, how you want it set up to be customized for you. Like, I really don't need the links on mine, so I'm going to kind of go up here. Either you have a choice, you can either close it this way, but I kind of want to get rid of it. So I'm going to go up here to Site Actions and Edit, and I just want to get rid of the links. So I'm gonna edit that. So as you can tell, everything highlighted you can move around. I can move this down under the team discussion. Now team discussion will be on top, announcements will be on bottom. I like announcements on top, you might not, so we can adjust it to however you like. Over here, you can add, like I said, you can add as many as you want over here. You can delete things, minimize them, do everything you want. So as you can tell, I got rid of the links. Now I'm just gonna kind of edit out of here, and now edit out of the edit mode, or I'm sorry, exit out of the edit mode, and I'm gonna minimize all this stuff. I'm gonna try to keep it as consolidated as I can. Also, over here you can see the structure. Basically, what we want to do is we want to keep everything organized. So this is the hierarchy of everything. So whatever person signs in here, like let's say a ComData guy signs in here, his first page is going to be this home page. So he can view everything that's on here. Maybe there's an announcement that needs to be made, or a team discussion that needs to be addressed, or he can see a calendar of what's going on with scheduling, whatever. So you can see, you can see the general concept. So now let's say I want to find out what that ComData guy has done. Well, this is the best and easiest way and organized way that we have found, is that you can hit that little plus sign. Now you have two choices. You could either click on, let me go back here. Now you can either click on the ComData, and now this is their website. So Now let's say that Comdata guy is right here, so their logo is right here. Now everything that's going on in their site, they have their own website built here now. So they can sign in, they can do their weekly updates, they can address things to their own employees, their management can see what's going on. Now, there's one of two ways. Now, this is the Comdata contractor right here. This is their website. So let's say they had a subcontractor. Instead of this being 9 West or 9 East and 9 West, let's say this is another subcontractor of Comdata, and another contractor under Comdata. So you can see how organized this stuff can be. So let's go back here to the main page. You have a choice to either click on that and go to that website, or let's say I wanted to expand this so you can see this is another website under that Comdata. This is a subcontractor under them. You can find out what they have done by opening these. So this is all of their information on that website as well as the information on the other website. So you can see how it tries to keep everything so organized. You can also minimize this and minimize this. So instead of clicking on the Comdata, scrolling down here, now clicking on 9 West, and now clicking on their weekly updates this way, you go back to the top main page, just open it up, open this, and click on their weekly updates and go right there. So then you can see a list of everything that they've done. So you can see everything's channeled back to this main website. Same way for HVAC, HVAC and plumbing, structural, whatever field that you're in, because everybody, all the management pretty much wants to know what's going on and when. This is so organized and easiest way. Basically, all you need is a web connection of some sort. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little difficult. But that's the only drawback to this, is you just need a connection, internet connection. Other than that, we design and deploy each one based on the customer's request and their wants and needs. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Obviously, I've covered pretty much everything. So like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.